Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's episode to Champagne Strokes, starring me, Champagne Killer. So on today's episode, I will be painting 4 paintings, all of which have already been previously sketched. I'm going to split up each panel into a one-color monochromatic painting. That basically means you only use one color, but you get to add shades along the way. Also, thank you guys for liking the videos and responding and sharing them and sending me messages about them. It means a lot. As you see, it's a learning process, so for people to already say that they like the idea is really great. So if you like it, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Let's get into this painting. Okay, so first one's done. Good enough for me. If you need to work on spatial development in painting, make an atmosphere, having things pop and go backwards, black and white's a great way to do it. I mean, if you just keep using washes and white, it really feels like this misty space. So black and white is always a great place to start. And moving right along, the next color will be blue. Okay, so before I ruin that one, we're going to stop right there. It is abstract enough and realistic-ish enough for me to know it's a building with a door. Whew. Okay, red one, done. Good enough for me. I think the space looks interesting. It was based off of a bridge and a ramp, and it feels like a bridge and a ramp. So I think that we are good on this one. On to the next one, which I will be using all of the colors in a controlled way to see if I learn anything at the very end. You better get ready for the final result. Whoosh. Yes, come on, art. Black and white, monochromatic, red and blue, all the shades, all the tones, warmth, cools, it's all here. So I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. I know I sure did when it comes to tones and values and a limited palette. This is a great exercise. It makes you a better painter, makes you a better drawer, makes you a better drag queen. So try it out for yourself and let me know. Until next time, serving you more art, more glamour, more magic. Champagne Killer.